Welcome to the next video lesson. This topic is on Earth's shape. Our learning goal, I will be able to explain that Earth's oblate spheroid shape is due to gravitational centrifugal force causing the circumference to be wider around the equator than around the poles. So my first question is, have you ever wondered about Earth's shape? We always look at our globes and we look at our maps, and there's different views, and everybody's kind of always curious about how does our planet actually look. Well, we have two images here. They are different, other than what they actually appear like. You can see some difference, but as far as their shape, are you able to tell a difference between the two images? In fact, one is actually an oblate spheroid. The Earth is 12,714 kilometers at the poles and 12,756 kilometers at the equator. So one of these photos of the Earth is basically 1,271.4 millimeters high and 1,275.6 millimeters wide. The other is a perfect circle, 1,275.6 millimeters high and wide. This is only a 0.3% difference, and it's really not noticeable to the naked eye. So what causes this shape, our planet's shape? Answer to that is rotation. So is this really true? Do we have evidence? And gravity is our evidence. Gravity is the attraction between two objects. So if Earth was a perfect sphere, there would be an equal force of gravity on all objects at equal distances from the center of the Earth, meaning that if you went to the equator, your weight would be the same as if you went up to the North Pole. However, objects at the pole have a greater weight compared to objects at the equator. This means that there must be an increase in distance from the center of the Earth to the equator compared from the center of the Earth to the poles. So because we are further away from the center of the Earth at the equator, we actually weigh more at the poles because there is less distance. We are closer to the gravitational pull from the center, and it's pulling down on us more, causing us to have a larger weight. So in review, Earth's gravity applies an equal force and it pulls at all sides inward. And the rotation of the Earth creates that centrifugal force pushing the sides outward. This causes the equator to bulge and the poles to flatten. If you have any questions, please let me know.